Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can check for the storage size of your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, you want to go down and tap on battery and device care. In here, tap on storage. And at the top, you can see here, this is the maximum storage size of your device. So on this Galaxy S21 Ultra, it is a 128 gigabyte storage size for this device. And also in here, you will be able to see how much memory you have used up already. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.